Today I would like to talk about another really good dish that we prepare. It's our beef steak bites, stir fried with onion, mushroom, red and green pepper, and spiced with black pepper. So was kind of not so high, but medium high structure dish, and really complex and with a large aromatic profile. So I think it's nicely paired with our Merlot. So medium high structure red wine, really high in alcohol, so really bold, but full of spiciness. In my opinion, we can pair this wine nicely with this kind of course because it's really complex, speaking about aromatic profile as the beef steak bites.
Trust your palate, choose your right